honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I just wanted to show y'all some stuff that I got for my nails that I found out about from Lynette Longmire. She has a channel, so I'll leave her link to her channel in my description box. It's something called Excuse Me Top Coat. And it says quick dry. It's quick dry. It dries instantly. So she's talked about this on her channel. But when I went to look it up, I also saw that they had a base coat. So I got the base coat and the top coat. Excuse me. Base coat and top coat. And this kind of box to come in. Got it from Amazon. So I'll leave the link for this in my description box. And this is the nail polish I have on today. I bought this. This was in a set of about 8 colors. I don't even know the color of this. Metallic aqua. And this is LA Color nail lacquer. Okay, but this stuff is good. It's really good. I like that it dries instantly. And I also used the base coat first, and it made my nail polish go on so nicely. I only have on one coat. Get my fingers and my toes, yeah. I like it a lot. So it should make my nail polish last a lot longer. So that's all I want to bring your attention to. Just Excuse Me top coat and base coat. Excuse Me, New York. Okay, so I want to thank you for watching. Look for the link in my description box. Look for the link to Lynette Longmire's channel in my description box. She's always bringing new stuff. And she make me buy so much stuff, y'all. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. Y'all stay blessed. Bye.